How to fix internal storage required error on WhatsApp. Now, if your WhatsApp is also showing internal storage required error while downloading or uploading files from WhatsApp, you just simply need to go into the app settings and select WhatsApp in there, or you can directly go to the app setting from selecting WhatsApp application. Go to the app information of WhatsApp, and after that you will see the section of permissions. Select the section of permissions and you will see a bunch of permission setting from here. You just simply need to check out the section of not allowed. It is because this problem occurs whenever you have not allowed some specific setting which is required in order to access some files in WhatsApp. You just simply need to look out for the option of storage or photos and videos. Just simply pick up any of the options that you see in your permission section. I'm selecting photos and videos right here, and you can see here I have set it to don't allow, and whenever you set it to always allow all, your problem will get fixed after the WhatsApp get the internal storage access. So this is how you can very easily fix internal storage required error on WhatsApp. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.